So hi everyone, welcome to our channel. And yesterday we had hosted our CTF as a side quest. You can see it here. Okay, we have hosted this CTF, and it was full of confusion based box. And right now, Triacme is having some issues with the machine. I don't know why, but maybe they'll fix it soon. It's the problem with their open VPN. It's not getting connected. I tried to regenerate and download the new open VPN, but still the problem remains the same. So I am just going to walk you through with the custom VM that I have uploaded on the THM. So this was the VM that I created, and I hosted it on TryAcme so that every guy gets an specific, every guy gets their specific IPs and all. So here is it. Let's start the machine. At first, we have to detect the IP addresses. This is apart from this box. So you will get the IP address on this machine, or you had got the IP address of this machine on your panel when you just started. When you just click on Start Machine, you will get the IP address. But for now, we have to get the IP address, and I already took the IP address and scanned the nmap of this IP address. And as you can see, as you guys have based on the CTF, we are having all of the ports as open on this machine from port number 1 to port number 65,535. It means that every port on this machine is open. So this was the confusion. So how you're gonna supposed to get the actual port from this? So you have to do some banner grabbing and content, like checking the content length of the website. So as you can see, when I am visiting this website, by default the content length would be just dev to null. As you can see, the content length is just this thing. So we just have to put a number greater than this number to just scan the whole subnets to whole ports, sorry, to whole ports to get the IP address. Okay, so I have created a script using the chat GPT. I, as you can see, let me do it again. So as you can see, I just provided 1,000 content length as 10,000, but we can do it 1,000 because it's more than 1,000, or we can also do 100. Okay, so we just created this script using the chat GPT, and you can see the script as you can see the script. Okay, it just grabs the banner from every TCP port, but skip printing the content length, and it's just checking the content length from the minimum length. Okay, and as you can see the whole script. So I had created it using ChatGPT. You can also create it. Just go and do this thing from let me explain this. We are using Python script and providing our IP address and providing the content length here. So as you can see, the content length is 19 on the port 1990. It has some content length of I guess 19,246. So after visiting, let me disconnect it first. After visiting this particular IP address on browser, we will get an on port 1990 we will get an SCADA simulator. It's nothing, just an front end thing, but everything will work. As you can see, the running values and all. So after this, when you will do robots.txt here, robots, you will get this thing. Try with extension, haha. So now you have to try it with some extensions. So just use the Ferox Buster or whatever tool you have. Okay, I don't have Ferox Buster, so let's use Go Buster. You just wordless, sorry, wordless now drop queue. We can use, okay, SQL map. SQL map. We can use big.txt, or we can go to this directory. We can use this using the extension as HTML zip back by etc etc. Okay, so let's just do this. We have to provide small w forward list. URL is not set. Uh, let's do this. So as you can see, it just started the scan and found an index.html file and a robots directory and robots.html file. Okay, so let's go to this particular robots.html thing and let's see what it is. It's an terminal. Okay, but it's an you can say this is a rabbit hole. It's a polyfunctional terminal. You can do some type of things. As you can see, we can write and do some of the things from here. This is an loophole, and we also got an robots directory here, as you can see. So while we are moving to robots directory, we got a zip file and a PNG file. So let's download the zip file and PNG file. We have to download the PNG file using wget. Okay, okay. Let's download it. Let's download this first. Okay. Okay, we have downloaded this and hi.png. We have to download it. Okay, now we have these two files, and when you do file on these two files, you will see that this is an ASCII characters. These are the ASCII characters. These are not actual zip and actual PNG. So when you do hi.png, when you do cat on hi on PNG, hi.png, you will see the 2D characters are there. And when you do hi on hello.zip, you will see you will get a string. Okay. So on this string, just copy this string and go to the cyber chef and paste it here. And you have to put some methods to decrypt the string. Okay. Now put a string of rot 13 and click on this thing. So you will have the password as hope you like the challenge at the rate 1337. And again, we have to get that hi.png one. So let's open this hi.png into mousepad and let's copy it this stuff from here and let's paste it here and let's delete all of the recipes and we have to put hex here. It's an hex value. We have to put from hex and it will show as the Morse code, and from the Morse code you will see there is some sort of binary thing. So we have to decode the binary stuff. Binary to word. So binary to text translator. Just go to this site or whatever site you will think it's okay. Just paste your output here and click on convert. You will see there is some sort of chat, and on this chat you will see the username is revealed. Okay, so now we have the username and the password. As hope you like the CTF and all. Hope you like this challenge. Let's cut it down and let's not this one. Let's put it here again from routine 13. Okay, now we have to detect the port. So I have also created another script that scans the whole banner from every port. So we just have to do Python 3 banner.py and provide the IP address of the machine. So just create it and it will start scanning all of the banners from the ports. And in the background, it's doing like this. It's doing like this. We created NC and variable of IP address and NV, and it's brute forcing this stuff from here till here and getting all of the details. Okay, so you can also create it using this methodology. Let's just wait for the actual SSH port, and we have changed the SSH port as well so that you guys can get some kick. Let's just wait for some seconds. Okay, as you can see on the port 65,530, let me show you this stuff. This is the same. Okay, this this and this is it's just scanning out all of the subnets. So you will get the SSH port by banner grabbing on this particular port. Okay, now just simply do SSH and provide the username with the capital A. Okay, remember we have given you the username as capital A, so you have to use the capital A as the username. Okay, so just use this and provide the code and just get the password of it and log in. As you can see, we have logged in. But when you try to visit some other locations, you will see ki it's RBash. It's restricted. Okay, so to bypass the RBash, you have to type vi and do set shell equals to slash bin slash bash, and again you have to do shell. And now RBash is bypassed, as you can see. Now RBash is bypassed, and let's check the groups of our user. Okay, our user is in the group of disk, so we can do the disk-based privilege escalations by detecting the disk. So let's do it by doing df-h. You will be getting an file. You will be getting your file of root. So just to do debug, debugfs on this particular file system, and you will see it's now it's on the partition. And when you do mkdir test, you will see file system is opened for read only stuff. So we just do we can do this here. We can read out the root's ID RSA, and when you will get the ID, sorry, where it is gone? Okay. When you got the ID RSA of this machine, just copy it and paste it to your machine as ID RSA. Control and save it and give it a permission of 600. So, and then log in using the root, login using the root name and the IP address. As you can see, this is the IP address for us. Just paste it and provide the ID RSA path, and it's done. You are now root. And now you can see we have phone.txt as the non-standard thing. On many of the boxes, you will get root.txt, but we have used pawn.txt, so you can root the machine and get the shell. And here is our flag, and this is the whole walkthrough of this machine. Thank you so much for watching.